I was working on this page so I could show you guys how to make hip hop beats. And I encountered a problem with the 808, and I just thought I'd show you guys how to fix it. And this is the beat. You hear that? You hear that? We'll play just the 808. That's what I'm talking about. The 808 here is not even overlapping to cause a problem. But it's okay, so what do you do now? This is what you do. I'll duplicate this 808 so I can show you something else. Okay, clone. I'll clone that. If you don't know how to do that, that's how to do it. Then you copy. I'll copy, then paste down because I want to show you something else. First of all, the top one. Now this is how to fix it. I just left click there, left click on this here, then you bring up this, then come to this. Oh man, the wind here. Then you come to this miscellaneous functions. I'm looking at this place here. Miscellaneous functions. I come here and click cut itself. Now see what happens. Clean. Very simple. Now, other things I would like to do in this kind of situation, I'll show you, but I'll show you in the second one. Even without cut itself, I'll show you what will happen. The second one is still bad. Let's just hear it again. So what we do, I'll come and click here. That's left click. Bring up this. And I'll come to this one. It says envelope/instrument settings. I click it. Now I want to play with these things here now. Now I'll take the attack down. I'll take the decay down all the way down. This sustain, take it all the way down, take the release all the way down, and take the hold all the way up. You can just picture this in your mind. Everything 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 is down. Just the hold is all the way up. Now listen to what happens. You see, it's gone. Most times what I do, after I do this setting, I still come to these miscellaneous functions, then I still hit cut itself. Okay, so let's do that. And let's see what happens. All right, let's hear it with the beat. I'll show you how to make this beat on this channel. And there's a song that inspired this beat, I'll tell you in that video. Grammy-nominated song. It's somewhere written in this video. On my screen here. I don't know if you can see it. If you can see it, leave a comment. Alright, I believe this video is really helpful to you. Let me know. And please subscribe. I've been finding it difficult to make videos recently, but when you subscribe, it helps the channel a lot. Like the video if you like it. Mel Proto, this is All One Pro Studio. That's it.